Hello guys! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add categories in Discord Mobile. So let's start. At the bottom, tap on three dots. Then click on Add button. And then tap on Create My Own. And then select any of these. Now create your server. You can skip this one, or you can add some people. Now here, click on the three dots at the top. Then you'll see Create Category. Just click on that. Now add the category name. And then tap on Create. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.